Good morning, students. So, as you know, we are doing our English class here. Okay. And before starting today's class, I want to give you one information. Now, your course books are available to you online. Okay. It is already provided to you in your WhatsApp group. So, you can check out your book from there. Now, for grammar section, I want to tell you one thing. That the first topic of your grammar is kinds of sentence. Okay. And related to that topic, I had already made the video. You can check out that video from this page, SVN Public School. Okay, it is uploaded with class 7 sentence. So you can check out from there. The topics are same as it is in your book. Okay, so you can cover first lesson of your grammar book from there. If you have any doubt, if you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, I'll definitely try to make it clear for you. Now in today's class, we are going to move on to our literature section. Okay, books are already provided to you. So we are going to start up our literature section. And the very first story of our literature section is, the first story that we are going to read today is Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture. This is the name of the story. Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture, and it is written by Jerome K. Zeron. Now actually this is an extract from the story Three Men in a Boat. Okay, Three Men in a Boat is a novel and it is an extract from that novel. Okay, now this story, this complete prose is based on the funny happenings, funny incidents that occurred when Uncle Podger decided to do one work. Okay, and that work was just to hang a picture on the wall. Uncle Podger decided to hang a picture on the wall, and while doing just single work, many incidents occurred there. Okay, all were just funny. So in this lesson, we are going to read that. Okay, now the main character of this story is Uncle Podger. The whole story will revolve around him. Okay, now Uncle Podger thinks that he can do every work. Okay, nothing is impossible for him. He can do every work. Okay, and he always used to be confident that yes, I can do this. Yes, I can do everything. Okay, so if I talk about the characters in the story, there are 7 persons. Okay, who are those 7 persons? We'll see here. The characters in the story are Uncle Podger. This is the main character. Is the main character of the story. The whole story will revolve around him. Okay. Now second one is Will. That's the name of a boy. Tom. Name of a boy. Jim. Name of a boy. Maria, aunt, and charwoman. Charwoman means the woman who takes care of the house. Okay. Who cleans the house and who takes care of the house. So these are the characters in this story. Okay. Now let's begin our story. Now one day what happened, in the morning time, all were sitting in the house. Okay. And Uncle Podger, as I told you, he thought that he can do every work. So that day picture frame came from the frame maker. A frame maker bought a picture frame and gave it to Uncle Podger. Now Uncle Podger, he was very happy to take that, and Aunt Podger asked him that what we are going to do of this frame. Okay. Now Uncle Podger said her that you don't take tension, I will do it by my own. Means he said that you don't take tension, I will hang the picture on the wall. Now this was the only work. He had to hang the picture on the wall. Okay. Now he was in complete form. He took off his jackets. Okay, he kept it on chair, and after that he started giving instruction to all the members of the house. Okay, so the very first instruction he gave was to a girl. Okay, he sent a girl out to bring nails. Okay, to put on wall. He sent a girl to bring out some nails, worth 6 penny. Okay, but when he sent that girl, he forgot to tell about the size. Okay, so what he did, he sent a boy after her that go and inform the size of the nails. So one girl and one boy went out to bring the nails. Okay, now after sending them, he sent Will to bring the hammer. Okay, then he sent Tom to bring the rule. Then he sent Jim to go to his neighbor Mr. Gurglas and bring the spirit level. What is spirit level? Spirit level is a instrument, okay, which is used to check bubbles on wall. Okay, bubbles means sometime you will see, that plasters come out like bubbles. So spirit level is used to check that bubbles on the wall. Okay, so he appointed everyone on work. Okay, and he was ready to do the work, like hanging the picture on the wall. After that, he said Maria, you will not go anywhere. You will hold light for me. Okay, because when he will put nails on the wall, he want light. So he asked Maria that you will stay here and you will show light to me. And last, when he asked Tom again, that Tom will give him the picture. Okay, this was all the setup. Now he stood on the stool. And he was ready to put the picture. Okay, now Tom gave him the picture. When he took the picture fell down. Okay, the picture fell down and obviously it was framed with glass, so it broke. Okay, and he tried to save the picture. Okay, he tried to save the frame, but he was not able to save the frame, and what happened? He got a cut in his finger. Okay, now when he got in the cut in his finger, he started jumping. Okay, he started jumping and he was shouting for handkerchief. Okay, so he instructed everybody to find his handkerchief. And where was his handkerchief? So his handkerchief was in the pocket of his coat. Okay, which coat he was wearing, the handkerchief was in the pocket of his coat. Okay, now everybody left their work and they started searching for the coat. Okay, because he was shouting very much. So everyone started searching for the coat. Finally, after some time, he said that, leave it, I got the coat. Okay, he said everybody that stop it, I got the coat. Now everybody thought that where was the coat? So actually the coat was on the chair and he was sitting on that chair. Okay, he was sitting on the coat and he was shouting at everybody to search for the coat. So will anyone get the coat? No. So when he stood, he saw that the coat is on the chair. When he got the coat, he took out the handkerchief from there and he put it on his finger. Now after wrapping it, after controlling the blood fall and all, again he made a second attempt to hang the picture. Now what happened in second attempt? In second attempt also everything was set up. Again the picture was ready. Again stools were ready and all. Everything was just set up in a well manner. Okay. Now when second time he tried, when he was ready to put the nail in the wall, the nail fell down. When the nail fell down, he started shouting, oh, now the nail fell down. Okay, so everyone just left their works and they started searching for the nail. Okay, finally after searching, they got nail. Okay, as by the time they got the nail, the hammer was lost. Okay, he's lost the hammer. Now he started shouting that every one of you are standing here, nobody has seen the hammer, what I have done of hammer. Okay, finally after some time they got the hammer. Okay, now after that, when he got the hammer and when he got the nail, what happened next? The site of mark, okay, the site of mark which is made on wall had lost. Okay, means he had put a mark on the wall that I have to put the picture here. Okay, and that site was lost. Now everybody was standing on the chair, everybody tried to find the site that where he had given the mark. But somebody says that it is here, somebody says that it is here, somebody says that it is here. And Uncle Podger said that all of you are fool. Okay, he had not listened to anybody and he said that all of you are just fool. Now everybody was just, they left it. Okay. Now again Uncle Podger, the mark was lost. So what he did, again he started measuring the wall. He was looking for the perfect place to put the picture. Okay, the place, the wall where there is no bubbles, where the plasters is okay and all. Okay. So he started measuring the wall with a rule, with tapes and all. Okay. When he started measuring the wall, he was standing on a stool. Okay, so just to measure the wall, when he bent on 45 degree, he fell down on the piano. What happened? When he bent at 45 degree to measure the wall, the stool on which he was standing, it slipped and he fell on the piano. When he fell on the piano started making all the notes at the same time. Okay, when he fell on the piano, all the buttons were pressed and all the notes of music came out at the same time. Okay. Now, by seeing these incidents, all incidents, Aunt Maria, she thought that it would be better if I would stay at my mother's home till this picture is hung. Okay, means she was very irritated. Okay, she thought that it would be better if she could stay at her mother's home. Now again, Uncle Podger stood. Okay, again he gathered all the things and again he was ready to put the picture. Now when again he was ready to put the picture, this time what happened? Everything was set up. Okay, he was ready with his nail and hammer. Now when he put the nail on the ball and when he dropped the first hammer, he smashed his finger. He smashed his thumb. Okay, now when he got hurt in his thumb, he threw the hammer. When he threw the hammer, it fell on somebody's leg. Now what happened? What could be the situation? He got hurt in his finger, somebody got hurt in leg. Everybody just started screaming. Okay, now after some time, again everybody was calm. Okay, now again, Uncle Hammer decided to put the second hammer. When he decided to put the second hammer, the nail went out through the plaster. Means it hadn't gone in the wall. It went out of the plaster. Now, finally, after many problems, many incidents, finally the picture was hung by the midnight. Okay, means from morning to midnight, the only one work he has done was to hang the picture on the wall. That's it. Okay, and just doing that one work, many incidents occurred there. Okay, like now we'll recall the incidents one by one. What was the first incident? So when he made the first attempt, okay, to put the picture on the wall, the first thing happened to him was that the picture fell. Picture fell, he got cut in his finger and he shouted for handkerchief. When he got his handkerchief, when everything was okay, again he was ready to put the picture. Means he made the second attempt. When he made the second attempt, the nail fell down. Okay, now after searching for some time, he got the nail. When he got the nail, the hammer was lost. After some time, when he got the hammer, the sight on the wall was lost. Okay, now he was very confused. Now when the sight of this mark was lost, finally he decided to measure the wall again and make a new sight, make a new mark. Okay, now when he decided to make a new mark, he was standing on a wall and he was measuring standing on the stool and measuring the wall. When he was measuring the wall, he bent at 45 degree to put a mark. Okay, when he bent, the stool slipped away, and when the stool slipped, he fell on the piano. When he fell on the piano, all the notes, all the musical notes from the piano came out at the same time. Now after getting up, after making everything okay, again he tried to make a next attempt to hang the picture. Now in this attempt, what happened? When he decided to hang a picture, he took the nail and put the hammer. He smashed on his finger. Okay, he smashed on his thumb. Now when he smashed on his thumb, obviously he will get hurt. Okay, obviously it will pain. So he started shouting, and when he started shouting, he threw the hammer. When he threw the hammer fell on somebody's leg. So the Uncle Podger was also shouting and everybody was also screaming there. Okay, now after getting everything okay, again he decided to put the second hammer. When he decided to put the second hammer, the nail went through the plaster. Okay, so after lots of incidents, finally he was able to hang the picture by midnight. Means just doing one work of 5 minutes, he took more than 5 hours from morning till midnight. Okay, so this was all incident that happened while Uncle Podger decided to do one work, and that work was just to hang a picture. Okay, so this story is very funny. Okay, what if you will do this work? It is very easy, right? We have to put a nail on the wall and just we have to hang the picture. But just doing that one work, Uncle Podger made lots of funny incidents. Okay, so this was all about the first lesson, and after this I am going to give you some assignments.